As English learners, we've all been there, struggling to understand those tricky idioms that seem to pop up everywhere. But don't worry, today we're going to conquer one of the most common ones, beat the clock. Mastering this idiom can really boost your communication skills. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood the literal meaning of beat the clock. My friend, Sarah, was running late for an important meeting and kept saying she needed to beat the clock. Unfortunately, she took that quite literally and started chasing after a large wall clock, trying to catch it and beat it. Needless to say, her colleagues were quite confused. So, what does beat the clock actually mean? It's an idiom that refers to the act of completing a task or reaching a goal before a set deadline or time limit. Let me show you how to use beat the clock correctly. My friend, John, had a big presentation due at work. He knew he had to beat the clock to finish all the slides and rehearse before the meeting. So, he worked diligently, taking short breaks to stay focused, and managed to complete the presentation with time to spare. His boss was impressed with his efficiency. Here are some examples of how you can use beat the clock in different contexts. In a casual conversation, I had to beat the clock to get to the movie on time. In a formal setting, the team worked tirelessly to beat the clock and deliver the project ahead of schedule. In a negative context, I couldn't beat the clock and missed the deadline for my assignment. In a humorous context, the chef was racing against the clock to prepare all the dishes before the restaurant opened. In a literary context, the protagonist had to beat the clock to save the city from destruction. In a business setting, our company is always trying to beat the clock and stay ahead of the competition. On social media, I had to beat the clock to get the best deals during the flash sale. To help you remember the meaning of beat the clock, think of an actual clock with hands that are racing against time. Visualize yourself trying to catch up to the clock and beat it before the time runs out. Now, let's dive into some fun facts about beat the clock. The precise origin of beat the clock is difficult to pinpoint, but its usage became more common in the mid-20th century, likely gaining traction with the increasing emphasis on time management and deadlines in modern life. The idiom highlights the importance of time management and the pressure to accomplish tasks within constraints, reflecting a common experience in modern life. In some regions, you might hear variations like race against the clock or against the clock. Beat the clock has been used in popular culture. Here are some similar and opposite idioms to beat the clock. Similar, race against time, against the clock, under the wire. Opposite, take one's time, slow and steady, procrastinate. These all relate to the idea of completing a task within a certain time frame, but with slightly different nuances. Let's try using beat the clock in a sentence. I had to beat the clock to finish my presentation before the meeting started. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. I had to complete my presentation on time before the meeting began. Here's a real-life story that shows how effective using beat the clock can be. My friend, Emily, was running late for a job interview. As she rushed to the building, she kept telling herself, "I have to beat the clock." This sense of urgency helped her stay focused and organized, and she ended up arriving just a few minutes before the scheduled start time. The interviewer was impressed by her punctuality and preparedness. Let's talk about some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using beat the clock. Grammatical mistake, I need to beats the clock. The correct usage is beat the clock, meaning misunderstanding. Some people think beat the clock means to destroy or damage a clock, which is incorrect. Inappropriate context, using beat the clock to describe a leisurely activity, like taking a stroll, would be inappropriate. Now, let's test your understanding with a few quiz questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom beat the clock? A. To destroy a clock. B. To complete a task before a deadline. C. To race against time. D. All of the above. 2. Which of these is a synonym for beat the clock? A. Take one's time. B. Against the wire. C. Slow and steady. D. Procrastinate. In summary, beat the clock is a common idiom that refers to the act of completing a task or reaching a goal before a set deadline or time limit. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can greatly improve your communication skills in English. Now it's your turn. Try using beat the clock in a sentence and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see how you put this idiom to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.